Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys have a fabulous week. In today's video we're going to make some extendable pockets that you can put some gift or treat or ephemera, vouchers, anything for to gift as a present for somebody. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Hey guys, welcome back on the desk. Today we are going to be making another one of these. I don't really know what to call them, but they are like patches but with extendable sides. So you just create a little concertina and then your patch can be extended, but you can make this as wider as you want. You can either add panels as a dividers inside, but I'll show you how to do that. We're gonna make another one of those. I have used this is the Stampin' Up, what's it called, Delight. I'm rubbish with names. Wait a minute. So the stamp set is called Delightful. It's one of the newest, pretty much. I genuinely can't remember now. I got blank. But anyway, hold on. The stamp set, what's it called? No. Let me just think. No, generally can't remember. But it's something to do with Delightful or Delight, and it's something to do with Flora. I want to say Delight or Flora, but I don't think it is. So basically, it's this paper pack that you have geometric on one side and Flora on the other side. And I have used some of my, I'll show you everything in a minute anyway. My newest autumn butterflies kit, and also last Friday freebie. It was so popular. Lots of you have asked me to do a video for it, using it. So I thought, well, right, let's create something together. So I absolutely love the contrast with geometric and flowers. I absolutely love it. In fact, on the, I don't know what you can see, when I created this freebie, sorry, there's not much left, but as you can see, the background of the freebie was a paisley geometrical. I know it's still curvy, but it's still geometrical, and I put the butterflies and the flowers on top. You can probably see that better if I do this. So love. And I always love the contrast with all these warm autumnal colors. It is really cold, dark navy. It's like a navy purpley, I want to guess. I don't really know the Stampin' Up color, because Stampin' Up, everything has got a name. Every color's got a name. I generally can't remember, but yeah, I love the contrast. But again, if you're not, and if you like more mutual things, we can you can make this with a same color, which I'm going to do now. Okay, this is the freebie. It's still my Facebook group, so please go on my Facebook group and help yourself and have loads of fun. On my Facebook group, there is a link where you could download all the previous freebies I have shared in the last, it's been 3 years now. So please go and help yourself. They're all displayed in alphabetical order, not alphabetical order, by date, posted date order. So yeah, this will be the latest because I have shared it on Friday last week. So yeah, this freebie here has been designed using inspiration from my newest kit. It's called Autumn Butterflies. I'll let you guess why. Because it's full of butterflies with like an autumnal colors. This is one of the pages when you got all the different backgrounds and the butterflies on top. So this is the background. So then I collages of different flowers and different colors. The palette, it's pretty much the same. So there is orange, there is yellow, there is a bit of blue, and of course it's red. So on this background, which is one of the pages, I then added the butterflies on top, and this is the second page. Okay, so I've done that, and then you get page number 3, which is these beautiful butterflies, which I have used to decorate the pouch. And then last but not least, this one, which again I have used as a decoration. So it's a collection of doilies, And what I love about it, so you get 9 doilies together, which again it's got this autumnal browny creamy color. This is more like a salmon color. It's in between like a beige and a salmon sort of color, and then I have put these beautiful greens, so it's all very autumnal palette. But yeah, go and help yourself. I've done a videos last Friday. This is the home page on my website. So on here you see all my 3 autumn kit. 2 of those are minis and 1 is a large kit. And also here you got the 4 Halloween treats. So you got 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then there is a Halloween bundle as well. To make things a bit easier, what I've done, I divided the papers in categories. You got your bestsellers, so if you click on it, you see all my bestsellers, digital papers, the vintage cookbook, the large paper packs. So those packs are huge, so I put it all together with all the big digital kits. The VIP lounge, so you got the 3 months, 6 months, or the full year subscription, all the minis, and then the bundles when I grouped them all into categories. Also, what I wanted to show you, in case you are not aware of it, so for example, if you click, and this is on all digital papers, so if you click on here, you see Halloween treat bags and boxes. So of course that is the main pictures, but also here there is a video that shows you all the papers, so you can have an idea of what you're getting. And in each of the list here there is a video, so on all papers. I'll show you another one just to give you, just make sure it's super clear. So for example, on autumn shabby, if you click, so that's the first square is of course the image here. The second square is the video. So again, you see the 4 papers. Okay, so at least you can see what you're buying. Okay, so I'm using a matchy cardstock. So if you don't like contrast, I'm showing you how to do like a plain version, which we're going to put some the papers on top anyway. So you can do, I'm going to give you some guidance as some measurements, sorry, as a guide, but you can do this in any sort of shape. I'm going to make it a slightly fatter version and shorter version. So this piece of cardstock I'm using now measure 11, which is almost the entire A4 by 4. Okay, so it's a piece of 11 by 4. So on the 11 side, you score it at 4, 8 and 8.5. Why we're doing this ½ inch there? So this ½ inch will be the depth of your pouch, so it will give you that extra room. So if you put, I don't know, tea bags or I don't know, tags or ephemera or anything that you want to do inside, that will give you that extra room so it stays nice and wide. Okay, this is slightly bigger, so the original was 4, it was longer because I used the entire, I used the entire 12, so it was a 12. But I'm using, on this cardstock here, is an A4 size, so it's 11 by 8 or something. But yeah, if you have a 12 by 12, use the entire 12 by 12, so the lid will go down. See, you will get a longer lid. Now, you can use Velcro for close it, or magnets. It's completely up to you. Or you can either wrap around some ribbon and close it like that. Completely up to you. I'm going to leave it plain because I haven't decided what I'm going to put inside yet. When it's Christmas time, I tend to do a lot of this. So if you're familiar for like Rizzler chocolate, you can put a Rizzler chocolate inside. You can put like it's a really nice little gift for somebody. You can put Merry Christmas, put a little message, and that is a little thoughtful treat because the receiver says, actually, this person is making such a gorgeous packaging because the packaging is part of the present. And when they eat the chocolate, they can reuse the pouch. It's just an idea. So, going back, I can talk for England. 4, 8 and 8.5, and that will give you the closure. And then you need 2 pieces or the same length the same. So this is a square, mine is 4 by 4, so it's 4 and that is an inch and a half. And what I did, I score it don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it, every 1/4 of an inch. And what you do, you create the concertina effect fold thing whatever it's called, and that will give you guys the, you know, the room to put it in there. So fold it all. I've not done a really good job here, as you can see from the score, so it don't matter as long as it's the same size, because that's what it matters. So they've got to be the same. So this is 4 by 1.5 inches. As long as they're the same, don't really matter how they fold. Well, we're going to glue it in there. So if you want to add panels, okay, so I'm just gonna speed it up so you can see what I'm doing, but I'm only gonna put the glue there and glue there, and then put, once they attach, I'll just glue that on top. If you want to do inside panels, what you need to do, you need to glue one of this concertina size on each side, let it dry, fold it up, and then insert your panel. I don't know, I hope I'm clear. So let's pretend this is the panel that is going inside. So fold the first side down first, then attach the panel there, let it dry. Depend how many panels do you want. So let's say you just want one panel. You put the cardstock there, glue it down on this side there. So put a glue in there and do exactly the same on the other side. Okay, so you got a divider inside. You can do as many as you want, but again, because I'm probably going to put some chocolate in here, I'm just going to glue it down like that. I'm just going to speed it up. Okay, and then just keep pressing until the glue is completely dry. Now, I've not done a good job in there, but it's okay. So if you ended up with a little bit of thinking showing, scissors, where's my scissors? Oh god, oh there they are. I'll just trim it. Oops. You just trim that off. I wouldn't bother personally, but if it bothers you, just trim it off. And do the same on this side. Okay, and that you've got your pouch. Super fun, super easy. So now, because we're gonna get, this panel is shorter, it's pretty much, I think it's like halfway, bit longer than halfway. To make it a bit more sassy, I'm going to put a panel here and a panel there, and just to give you a couple of ideas of how to decorate it. And I'm just going to put a panel on the back, and then on my prototype, the lace, the doily with the butterflies is actually on 3D. I put some foam, you see some 3D foams, just because I want to elevate the doily with the butterfly, and I'm going to do exactly the same in there. Okay guys, so what I've done, I firstly cut the paper doilies with the butterfly from there into a piece of very thick cardstock, super thick. And I have decided that the heart embellishment will work as a closure. So I just put sun glue on the bottom of the heart, pretty much a bit down over halfway, okay, towards the end. And that, in that way, the lid of the pouch will slide into the heart and it will stay shut. And no matter what you got inside, it will remain closed, because the concertina works with anything that you put inside. So let me see if my coaster gets in. I might be able to actually. Let me show you. Oh, literally just I put a coaster inside, Okay, so it's got quite a lot of thickness. See how thick it is? Got the coaster and the little feet. So if I put that inside, I mean, it's slightly bigger, but it should not be a problem. So you've put that inside and it will stay shut no matter what you do. Okay, like I'm shaking it, it won't not open. Even if I put it upside down, it won't open, it will remain closed. So put chocolate or I don't know, money or anything, use this system if you don't want to leave it open, and that will close. So little tip there, so you guys do what you want. So that's the two pouches. Before we go, first of all, thank you so much for your usual love and support. Honestly, guys, it means the world to me. And I'm very, very pleased that you liked the freebie last Friday. So, yeah, there you go, a project with the freebie. Today's special shout out goes to the lovely Alice. And I put Alice's comment on the screen now. Alice says that she loves my project because they all look doable. Yes, guys, because, well, first of all, I'm not an expert. So anything that I do is because I want to try to do different things. And yeah, I don't really do overcomplicated things, because crafting is not a competition or who makes the most difficult things. It's just a therapy, just to sit down, have fun, be creative, and yeah, just get stress release. So talking about stress release, let me finish the video with the quote of today. You guys familiar with this? It's the 365 days of calm, and today is number 6. Let's see what we got for today. The beginning is always today. Mary Wollstonecraft Shelley. The beginning is always today. So don't worry about what happened in the past. Today is a new day. Today is a new beginning. Okay, big love to every single one of you guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up. And then if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and share my channel to your friends and family. Guys, I've done a couple of videos and I will put the links on the screen now. One where we make a tea bags holder, similar project but using an envelope to store your tea bags, and another project when we made a similar style concertina, so it opens and extend like that for your ephemera. So yeah, a couple of ideas on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching, guys, from the bottom of my heart. And until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.